So, machine learning is one of the fastest growing fields today, and having the right credentials, having the right certificates can open doors to amazing opportunities. But with so many courses and certificates out there, it's so easy for you to get overwhelmed. So today, we are breaking it down for you. We are going to talk about the top 5 machine learning certificates for 2026. These certificates can truly boost your resume, help you land interviews, and give you the practical skills that employers are looking for. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your career, these certificates will make all the difference. Stick around and see you on the other side. Era of artificial intelligence. Everything is now artificial intelligence. That's why you can see that we have platforms such as ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Google Gemini. But behind all those platforms, there is machine learning. There's machine learning developers who are configuring the algorithms to produce the quality results that you see on any platform that you use. That's also the reason why companies are willing to pay upwards of 700,000 for machine learning developers, because we are the brains of all AI systems. All right, but before I name any certificates that I want to share with you today, let me set expectations right. Machine certificates, they get your resume opened, but they don't guarantee you that you're going to be hired. A certificate is just a signal, is a filter pass, a conversation starter. All you need to do is, after you get your certificate, keep on practicing and also be able to understand the ins and out of machine learning so that you can be able to secure a job. What certificates don't do is they don't automatically get you hired, or they don't replace a real world experience. So even if you complete a certificate and stops there, nothing will change. You need to put an extra effort. What really matters most in the world or in the industry today is, one, you're good at the project. Secondly, you need to have a clear problem statement. And thirdly, you need to you have a deep understanding of machine learning, because you need to convey this in an interview. So let's go ahead and start with my first machine learning certificate for 2026. Yes, you guessed it right. AWS Amazon Web Services Machine Learning Specialty. This certificate costs $300, but it's gonna be retired in March 2026. Though it will be valid for the next 3 years, which is it will end its validity in 2029. So what we learn on these certificates, you are going to build, you are going to train, tune, fine tune, deploy machine learning models on AWS platform. You need to understand machine learning workflows and production pipelines. So these certificates will literally give you the skills that you need to apply in the real world environment. Prerequisite, of course, you need to know your Python, machine learning basics, AWS knowledge. Yeah, having a cloud practitioner from AWS certificate will help you. This certificate is best for cloud machine learning engineer roles, production machine learning systems, and anyone who wants to get started into machine learning. It's gonna cost you $300. My second certificate, my pick here, is Microsoft Azure Data Scientist, or the AI Engineer certificate. This certificate costs you $165 and is still ongoing. So it's going to be valid for a long, long time. What you're going to learn on these certificates, you're going to design, train, deploy machine learning models on Azure platform, use Azure machine learning, automate machine learning models, and all the machine learning pipelines. Like like AWS certificate, you need to know your Python, your ML fundamentals, your basic, and also a basic Azure knowledge. It's best for those who want to use their Azure platform, which is the Microsoft platform. My third one, which is the least popular in this segment, is the Nvidia Certified Professional, the AI Operations one. So the focus area, this certificate focus on applying artificial intelligence or machine learning tools, also focus on deep learning frameworks such as CNNs, convolutional neural networks, and many others, generative AI, and ML pipelines. The prerequisite, you still need to know your Python, machine learning basics, and just know your simple math. This certificate is best for those who want to use the Nvidia infrastructure, machine learning ops, and AI developers. The cost is just $200, and you can spend like 20 hours just to learn the basics so that you can sit for the exam. Let's talk about one of the popular ones, Google Professional Machine Learning Engineer. This is going to cost you $200 and it's still valid. What you learn, you're going to design, build, and deploy to production all the machine learning models on the Google Cloud platform. You're going to use Vertex AI and Google BigQuery and many others. Prerequisite, you still need to know your Python and machine learning fundamentals and also basic cloud knowledge. So if you have a basic Google Cloud knowledge, you'll be good to get started in this. This is also good for those people who want to use the Google Cloud platform, who want to deploy machine learning on the Google platform, Google Cloud Service platform. All right, let's talk of my last one, the TensorFlow Developer Professional Certificate. You are going to build, to train, to deploy models using the TensorFlow framework and also the Keras. You also need to know your Python and machine learning basics. It's best for deep learning engineers and AI developers. The cost is just $200 and is ongoing. And the pro tip, whatever certificate that you're going to do, make sure you deploy your machine learning on GitHub and be able to explain those projects to the interviewers that are going to interview you. This will help you sell yourself to the companies out there. So thank you for watching. Pick the certificate that you want and also be able to deliver in the interview. Now, while we are here, I'm going to share the web the link in the description for all these certificates. But this is the AWS Machine Learning certificate, and it's gonna cost you $300. But it's gonna expire very soon on March 31, 2026. So you might not need to pursue this. Now you can learn it for basically free. There are some free courses here, but there are others that you have to pay some money for you to learn. And also, let's talk about the Microsoft Certified Azure Data Scientist. The cost is $165, and you can learn it for free on the Microsoft Learning Platform. The Nvidia AI Operation Certificate is going to cost you $400, and you can learn the skills from here. You can register the exam and learn the skills from here. TensorFlow, this is the certificate you can take up to 4 weeks, and it's a guided learning process that you can follow through, and you can start learning from deep learning AI. And lastly, the Google Professional Machine Learning Engineer. You can get registered here. What I'm going to do for you is I am going to share all these links in the description below so that you can just take a look at them and